we've got DOOGEE V20, and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, you need to open your Play Store, then click on your account icon and select Manage Apps and Device. And here just tap on See Details, and you can either update one particular app by tapping on Update right next to its icon, or you can just update all apps at once by tapping on Update All. And that's it. Meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way, so then you can smoothly check it out by entering App Store again. So this is it. This is how you can update apps. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.